First note, the distance from the wall to the center of the turntable is 2.6 meters. Preparation: place the laser level at the center of the lift. Project a cross-shaped laser line at a height of 1.8 meters above the ground. Masking tape is applied to prevent the markings from scratching the wall. Mark the position of the center line. Installation steps: 1. Measure 120.5 centimeters outward from the center line to both sides. Mark location. The left side is also 120.5 centimeters. Locate the parts shown in the diagram and mark their center positions. Align the marks. Determine the installation location and mark the drilling points. Repeat the same steps on the right side. Users can adjust the installation distance between the two camera units as needed based on usage requirements. Installation result. 2. Use a tape measure to mark a point 1.3 meter above the ground. Measure the length of the monitor stand and mark the center point. Align the center line mark with the center point of the monitor mount. Determine the installation location and mark the drilling points. Repeat the steps of drilling holes and inserting screws. 3. Mark the tape measure at a height of 1 meter above the ground. Measure the length of the bracket and mark the center point. Align the center line mark with the center point of the bracket. Determine the installation location and mark the drilling points. Attach the storage base to the bracket, ensuring the small hole faces upward. Repeat the steps of drilling holes and inserting screws. Installation result. 4. Position the tape measure vertically, 80 centimeters above the ground, ensure it aligns perfectly with the initial laser line. Measure 90 centimeters outwards from the center line to both sides. The left side is also 90 centimeters. Measure the length of the fixture bracket and mark the center point. Align the center point mark with the center point of the bracket. Determine the installation location and mark the drilling points. Install the hook onto the bracket. Install it with the small hole facing upwards. Installation result. 5. Install the wall mount behind the monitor. Lock camera position. Installation is consistent on both the left and right sides. Thread all the wires through the hole in the base. Plug the camera cable into the main unit. Plug in the dongle. Connect to the power supply. Plug in the mouse and keyboard. Connect the ground wire. Adjust the position to align the power button with the opening. Attach the lid. Installation result. 6. Fixture installation. Final result.